What's up, curly crew? I hope you guys are doing amazing. Today we're going to have an amazing video, which is how to show you guys how to take the coils and give it major volume. Of course, I washed and conditioned the hair. Lies, I did not shampooed and conditioned. I just conditioned the hair with the lay me down conditioner. I just did a cold wash, let it sit, washed it off, and then I used the Nourish Me leave-in and a gel. I did the finger coils. I love what's going on right now, but I'm going to an event, so I just wanted to take the time to show you guys how to really take this hairstyle and just turn it into a whole different look on day one. Of course, I'm going to be using a natural oil to really break the curls with my hands, and then we're going to be using the blow dryer and really stretching the roots to give it that drama. Okay, just to let you guys know, you guys, I'm going to be using my hair a lot to style, but I'm going to be using the blower. And if you guys have a pick, I might use the pick just to kind of give it some shape. Other than that, I am just going to show you guys really quickly how to get this look. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like from every angle, and then I'm going to show you guys the after effect. Before we start this process, make sure you guys definitely subscribe to the channel and share with a curly friend. And for you guys that are interested in the products that I used, they're all in the description. So make sure you guys check it out. And if you guys have any questions, drop your questions on the comments. All right, guys, so these are the final results. As you guys can see, the hair looks way bigger. Again, this is day one, so it is going to look way different tomorrow and the day after. But this is a quick way for you to give your hair volume. There's still lots of definition, there's texture, the hair looks good, there's a natural shine, and we got the hair to where it needs to be because we didn't really want it to look super perfect. It did have some hair shrinkage. So this is a quick way to take your hair on day one to the next level. Make sure you guys definitely share this with a curly friend, curly textured hair for you guys. Thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe. And of course, definitely give me some love. I appreciate you guys. I hope this was helpful and inspiring. Make sure that you definitely love your hair, but most importantly, love yourself, guys, because everything that you apply to yourself is absorbed into your body. I don't know if you guys know this, but I don't know if you guys know this, but our skin is like a sponge, it absorbs everything. So I hope that I'm able to inspire you guys to check out the products I did use because they were plant-based, vegan, free of harsh chemicals. All right, no parabens, no sulfates, no phthalates, no SD alcohol. Very important to keep your hair, your scalp, your skin, your body, but most importantly, the environment on point. So I hope you guys have an amazing day. Be safe, take care, and stay tuned for more videos coming from Curl Daddy. Be safe, take care, peace and love.